Dear students, here is a question for us. Write an embedded C program for LED blinking. Before we write the program, let us take some quick recap on what is embedded C. As we know, embedded C is one of the popular programming language for developing programs for the microcontroller. Embedded C remains to be one of the most popular programming language due to its simplicity, high efficiency, less development time, and portability. Now, how embedded C is different from the conventional or the traditional C programming language? Well, in embedded C, we have few extensions and we have additional features for addressing input-output, multiple memory addressing, fixed point, arithmetic, etc. Now, with this introduction, let us go into coding the program. Once again, let us look at the precise question. Write a program in embedded C for blinking LED at pin P1.2. So here the case is we have a LED and that LED is connected to P1.2 pin of 8051 and we have to make it blink. That means it must be made on, after a short gap, must be made off. Then once again the cycle must come repeat, on and off, that must go on. So let us start coding the program. To code the program, we have to include the header file, hash include register51.h. Since we have to have a delay between the on and off stage, let us make use of a function void delay, void, put a semicolon to end this statement. Now let us start by naming the pin P1.2 as X with the help of the statement S bit X equal to 0x92. So the pin P1.2 is given the name X. So this statement could also be written as S bit X equal to P1 raised to 2. We are starting the main program. Void main void open braces. Then let us have a infinite for loop so that we have continuous on and off states. X equal to 0. So let our LED go off. We are writing S0 to pin P1.2 here. Then before we make the LED go on, let us have a delay in between. Call the delay function. Make the LED to turn on. X equal to 1 will turn on the LED. Once again, set a delay. Close the braces for the for loop. Close the outer braces for the main function. So here is the main program. X, which represent pin P1.2, is made off and on continuously. So that much comes in the main program. Now we are left with defining the delay function. Now this is how we can have a delay function. In this program, we are making use of two for loop, one inner for loop and one outer for loop. So the inner J loop is set for J equal to 0 to J500 since T is declared to contain the initial value 500. And the outer for loop also will repeat for I equal to 0 to 500. So 500 into 500, 2500 number of times, the two loops will be repeating. So that delay will be sufficient to make out between the on and off states of the LED. So compile this program, and after you compile the program, you bend the program into 8051 microcontroller, do the wiring, and in this case, to P1.2, you have to connect the LED and other end of the LED may be connected to the ground. And we can see the LED blinking. Thank you. Hope all of you have understood.